The budget, I think, overall has been a very balanced budget. Nothing to be euphoric about, nothing to be sad about in that sense. And given the constraints that we have, I think it's been a commendable job. But having said that, specifically from the IT and electronics industry sector, which I represent, there were certain hopes that we had, especially because the government had stated as its policy that it'll do everything possible to promote manufacturing of IT and electronics in the domestic sector within India. And the domestic sector is saddled by certain structural issues which are basically fiscal in nature, which is the issue of the inverted duty structure, wherein one has to pay more tax on a product if it's manufactured locally than if it's imported, which is a huge disincentive to manufacture locally. And that's coming because of the inverted duty structure. So what we were expecting was at least the special additional duty will be removed on the component so that the inverted duty structure is gone and therefore more manufacturing happens locally, which also means that there will be more jobs being created locally. Now that has not happened. But what the finance minister mentioned in his budget speech was a special incentive for the semiconductor fabs to be set up in India. And semiconductor fabs is a very critical component of the electronics and IT ecosystem. So I hope maybe because of this particular incentive, there will be more of the IT and electronics being manufactured locally, which will lead to more jobs. And I also hope maybe we missed something in his speech, and maybe in the details the finance minister has indeed addressed the inverted duty structure issue. But in his speech there was nothing that came out, and in what we have heard and seen till now, there is no redressal to the inverted duty structure. And that's been a bit of a letdown if that really is true.